Luke 22:24-38 gives us the last and final assault of Satan on Jesus. This would also be a lasting assault on the disciples. In Luke 4:13 we read, "And when the devil had ended every temptation, he departed from him until an opportune time." The opportune time had come now. In Luke 22:3 we read, "Then Satan entered into Judas called Iscariot, who was of the number of the 12. Further, Luke 22:31 says, "Simon, Simon, behold, Satan demanded to have you, that he might sift you like wheat." There is an increased assault of Satan on Jesus and his disciples. Satan does three things. Number one, he creates a dispute. Number two, he tries to derail the disciples' faith. And number three, he brings opposition. Let us first look at the disciples' dispute recorded in Luke 22:23-27. "And they began to question one another which of them it could be who was going to do this. A dispute also arose among them as to which of them was to be regarded as the greatest." The contrast between verses 23 and 24 is glaring. The question in verse 23, namely, who could be the betrayer, was in the light of Jesus' statement found in verse 21. "But behold, the hand of him who betrays me is with me on the table." This question is normal, but what seems out of sync is the fact that from this question they swung to another question that revealed their carnal nature. This may have resulted from the seating of the table. In Jesus' mind, he was not following the place of honor at the table. It is, however, possible that the disciples who occupied the place of honor at the table might have bragged about it. The dispute was about who was the greatest. Have a blessed day.